My name is Sidney Lewis, and I live here in Shepherdstown, West Virginia. Coming back to the mountains, I guess, was in my blood. Mainly the trees were my major attraction. I have taken on the task to continue the beautification of Deerfield Village. The apple trees got a blight. All of the trees were dying. Your first view when you came into development were dead trees. No one seemed to have had an answer as to what we could do to bring the luster back. We learned about the Cacapon Institute.
We coordinate the Carla West Virginia project CommuniTree. We're helping them keep trees in their community.
We not only think of trees and shrubbery for the beautification of your home, it is a means also of helping the Potomac River and our surroundings. I am here and trying to preserve what I feel that is dear to me and to West Virginians.